Hello everyone. For my field trip, I chose the North Carolina Aquarium at Fort Fisher. The aquarium features educational displays about the coastal environment and habitats of North Carolina, including eagles and estuaries. They have aquariums featuring all of the marine animals and ecosystems that you might find common to North Carolina. With the community towards combating marine pollution through education, as well as participating in sea turtle rescue and rehabilitation. They even have a dive show every day whose purpose is to educate the public on the different marine animals that you might find at our coastline, as well as the history of the North Carolina coastal area. The primary producer that I chose is seagrass. It uses the sun's energy for food through photosynthesis and is used as food and habitat for other organisms. They spread using rhizomes, which is advantageous for their survival and hardiness. The marine animal I chose is the common starfish, which is part of the coquina outcrop ecosystem. It uses its tube feet to pry open bivalves, then inserts its stomach lobes into the shell in order to digest the bivalve. The most interesting part of my trip was learning about the coquina outcrop. It is a rocky conglomerate outcropping unique to the coast of North Carolina, named for the coquina bivalve who is commonly found there. The outcrop is home for sea urchins who attach themselves to the rocky shore, as well as other organisms such as sea stars. Interestingly, the museum's main concern is educating the on the threats to this ecosystem to have discussed heavily in class: ocean acidification and climate change causing rising waters. We learned in class ocean acidification causes hard-shelled organisms such as sea urchins to be smaller or have stunted growth. The aquarium is working hard to educate people on this issue in order to prevent this from becoming a permanent issue. Climate change causing ocean waters is also a threat to the coquina outcrop because water level is important to the organisms that live there. The outcrop must be partially above sea level in order for those organisms to be supported. The coquina outcrop is not only an important part of the system, but also a beautiful part of